YouTube. This is another tutorial, man. I'm gonna show you how to adjust your clutch on a semi truck. Right now we're underneath the truck, and this 5/8 bolt right here. See if you could. There you go. The 5/8 bolt. That's where you adjust your clutch at. Now, in order to adjust your clutch, you have to press the clutch in, and this bearing gonna snug up right here. Then you could adjust your clutch. You gotta push in on this nut right here. Let me put this light up so you could get a better look on it. I don't know if you could see that nut in the middle. Is three of them. The one in the middle, that's the one you adjust. You get a 5/8 socket, put it on there, and push down on it to release the pressure off. Okay, it's got a spring underneath there. Release the pressure and turn it. And I'll show you that in a little bit. Right now I just want to show you what you're looking for when you're underneath here. Alright, so now I gotta go up top and push in the clutch. Okay, there go your clutch pedal. Right now I have about 1 inch play on it. You could use a tape measure to measure the play. Okay. And that's all you do right there. Put a piece of wood there to hold your clutch down. If you don't have somebody else to help you. Then now you go back under there and turn that bolt I was showing you earlier. Now this is not a clean job, so if you want them guys that don't like to get dirty, you might as well pay somebody to do it. Cause you're gonna get dirty. You gotta go underneath the truck. So, and on these Pro Stars, because the sides are so low to the ground, it's easier if you come in from the back and just crawl your way up front to where the transmission and the engine meet. And I noticed I got a leak right there, and I know what that is, so I just see that. I'm gonna have to take care of that soon. Right now I'm just trying to adjust the clutch. It's a Saturday evening, and I know I can't get that taken care of today. So now what you need for this is a 5/8 socket. Just get you a 5/8 socket. Just like that. And what you're gonna do, gonna put this on the bolt like that. Alright. Then we're gonna have to use one hand to push in on that socket and the other hand to turn it. So let me get this camera set up and I'll turn. I'm gonna have to invest in a GoPro or something something where I don't have to hold the camera, because It's a pain trying to hold the camera and use both hands at the same time. And that's the best I'm gonna get out of it right there. I'll use that. See what happens. Okay, so you might not be able to see it, but basically you push in on it, and you turn it. And from where mine at, you want to get it right here. It's a lot easier to work with if it's right here. But turn over the engine about 10 times and it keep passing. So I just decided to work with it where it's at. It can be done. It just take a little more work doing it from right there. I didn't have any play at all when I first started. I got an inch play on it right now. So I need about another half-inch play. Alright, there you go. Okay. So now I'm going to go back up there and see how much play I have on the clutch. All I use the wood to do is just keep my hand steady. That way, could, yeah. Yeah, that inch and a half free play on the clutch. So I'll get the flashlight from underneath there and then I'll drive it and see how it feels.